Here's how to change your voicemail greeting on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your voicemail greeting is the message callers hear when you don't answer the phone. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. Tap Voicemail in the bottom right corner. In the top left corner, tap Greeting. Select Custom instead of Default. Tap Record and say your voicemail message. When finished, tap Stop. Tap Save. Your new voicemail greeting is now active. If you want the default greeting again, tap Greeting and select Default. If voicemail isn't set up, tap Set Up Now and follow the on-screen steps. Your carrier must support voicemail. Speak clearly and keep your greeting short and professional. And that's it. That's how you change your voicemail greeting on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.